Do you want to be better able to predict market moves and become a much more profitable trader instantly? Well, now you can. I've taken one of the most popular indicators out there and I've simplified it for you so it does all the hard work for you. All you have to do is know how to read it and implement it into your strategies. Call this indicator Wave Cipher B. And the best part, you can get it absolutely free. All you have to do right now, subscribe to this channel. Go to my Discord, whether VIP or free Discord. You can find a link in the pinned comments and the video description. Join my Discord and you will get this indicator absolutely free. You cannot search for it in the public search feature and find it. You have to get the link sent by me. All you have to do, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord, you'll get it for free. Let's take a look. Here you have the Bitcoin chart on the daily, and you see this indicator, Wave Cipher B, down below. I have super simplified this for you. It's got momentum waves, it's got VWAP, it's got divergences, money flow, without all the extra clutter and busyness that makes things confusing. Let's take a look at how one of the more popular ones looks, and you can see the difference. If we just throw that on there, do you see how busy and cluttered that looks on the bottom compared to Wave Cipher B? So many lines, so many different colors, so many this and that. It's all over the place. It's great. It's very effective, but we've simplified it because you just don't need all that. I have empowered this indicator to do the work for you, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So once we have it on the chart here, we're looking at the Bitcoin daily price action. You'll see these dots. That's the first thing we want to look at. Red and green dots. Now, typically you would interpret those as long or short, buy or sell, and that is correct, but we want things going in the right direction in order for those to play out. Let's take a look at a good example here. So right here you see a bunch of chop in the momentum waves. The big blue waves are momentum waves. The green and red waves are money flow waves. And the white little thin line waves, those are stochastic, okay? So you can see a whole bunch of choppiness here, and prices just kind of chopping. It's going up, even though things appear to be going down, okay? For example, right here you get a red dot, okay? I'm hovering over the red dot. Normally, one would think to short or sell right there, but money flow is headed up. That means money's coming to the market, and you also look at stochastic is headed up, okay? That would let you know that this is probably not going to play out to the downside. Yeah, you may got a little bit of move to the downside on that dot, but the trend was still up. What you want to look for are ideal setups where all three are headed in your direction. You want money flow headed in your direction, momentum waves headed in your direction, and stochastic headed in your direction, along with the dot to print that you're looking for. Depending on the time frame you want to work on, this one is the daily. You may get a bigger or smaller move. The daily usually produces a pretty big move. Let's take a look at one that played out here, okay? So you see momentum is up to the top. Then you get the red dot. Let's check the three things we're looking for. Momentum wave is coming down. The blue wave is coming down. The white line, which is stochastic, is coming down. And money flow, you can see right here, is trending to the downside, okay? So everything, all of our conditions are in check. The red dot appears, we take our short, okay? If we hover up to the top and see where this printed, which was right here on that candle, we take it, boom, big move down, 13.5%. That is a big move down, okay? So add a little bit of leverage onto that and you're in major profit already. But our conditions were in line, unlike this dot here where money flow was still coming up, stochastic was coming up. Yes, momentum was coming down, but the other two were headed in the opposite direction. So we would not have wanted to take this trade. Okay, you might could have made a little bit, but you're probably going to get stopped out or liquidated on that. We want all three conditions. And don't worry, you get plenty of situations where all three are in line, so you don't have to force trades. Let's take a look at one more example. Let's scroll on over. Let's see if we can find a good one right here. All right, here we go. Same thing, guys. Okay, same thing. We got a red dot right here, okay? Momentum wave is headed down, okay, right on the red dot. Stochastic is going sideways, so it's not up nor down, so it's neutral, but money flow is increasing. Money flow is king. Money flow trumps all other indicators. That means money's flowing into the asset. So the other things may produce a little bit of chop, a little bit of ebb and flow, but the trend is going to be with the money flow, okay? So this dot did not play out. In fact, it wound up going to the upside, right? All right, let's look at a long opportunity. Here we go. We've got one right here down at the bottom, okay? You see we're in the red here, so that would indicate money flow is leaving the market, right? So we're looking for shorts, but we got a green dot. What happens as soon as we get the green dot? Let's check our indicators. We've got money flow starts headed to the upside. Stochastic flips and heads to the upside, and money flow flips and heads back into the green, even if just for a moment. And that is enough to produce a big move, a continuation move, actually. But even if you just traded this first move until money flow flipped back over, you would have got right there about 8% on the move. This actually continued up to more like 24%, which you could have done. But if you got out when this flipped back to money flow in the red, because you're trying to stick to all three conditions, I get it. If you flip back here, you still made 8% times whatever leverage you're trading on. So still a heck of a trade there, guys. This is so much more simpler. Let me give it to you again. Let me show you what the popular one looks like, guys. And it is much more busy. It is crowded. It is cluttered. Look at this. I mean, everything's just crissing and crossing. It's hard to follow which line you're tracking. It's hard to see what's going where. We've simplified it for you guys. It doesn't get any easier than this. And this is a private indicator that I have in my suite of private indicators. And again, all you have to do, subscribe to this channel, join the Discord, the link is below, and you'll get this for free. You can keep it for your lifetime. I'll never ask for it back. I'll never take it away. It is yours. So guys, if you found this content, go ahead, join us. We give indicators. We have many more, a suite of indicators. We give trade setups. We give mentorship programs in the Discord. AnthonyLeeCrypto.com. You can go here. You can join us. You can get your own private trading setups, strategies, tutorials, mentorship through me. Everything's available to you guys. We would love to have you. We will see you next time. Enjoy this indicator.